Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. See you again. We are doing question number 2 at Self Practice 7.1. Let me read the question. The diagram below shows point P which divide a piece of rope AB in the ratio M to N. Given AP equal to 10 cm and AB equal to 35 cm, A find the values of M and N. And B, describe proposition of P on the rope in relation to its ratio. So let's concentrate on the how to find the values of M and N. So what is important to know now is that the M and N divide the line segment AB. So what we have to know, we need to know what is the length of AP. Is given already as 10 centimeters. And even though AB is given as 35, we are not interested in the length of the whole thing. We need to know the ratio for N, so we need to know the length of P to B. So because AB will be the whole thing, AP will be 10, so 35 minus 10, so you get here is 25 centimeter. So what is the ratio M to N? So the ratio M to N will be in the original form will be the 10 centimeter to 25 centimeter. But then you have to simplify that. So it should be you divide by 5, you get 2 to 5. So M equals 2, N equals 5. So question B, describe the position of P on the rope in relation to its ratio. The position of P, so I would say AP to PB will be 2 to 5. Okay, the position of P is between A and B, so we rewrite it at AP to PB equals 2 to 5 because the value of M is 2 and is 5. And let's continue with C. If point S is, if the rope is placed on the x-axis of the Cartesian plane such that A is the origin and coordinate of B is 21, 0, determine the coordinates of P. Okay, so A is the origin. If you need to reread it, okay? Because I have reading it the 3 times already. Okay, so I've read it before I do the question. Okay, so A is the origin. So A is origin. It means the position of A will be 0, 0. So the y-axis will be there. So this is the x-axis, and the coordinate of B is 21, 0. Okay. So what is the coordinate of P? So for this one, we have a formula that is formula for the ratio will be or the coordinate of P will be I like to write the denominator first, M plus N. Here will be N times X1 plus N times X2. Okay, we do not need to do the Y because the value of Y will be 0. Okay, but basically the ratio for Y is also in that ratio, M plus N and everything. But this one will be Y1 and Y2. So in this case, you just replace, okay, N will be 5. So X1 will be which, okay, so the issues now, which one is X1 and which one is X2. So in this case, unlike gradient and so many midpoints and so many other formula that we use in geometric coordinate, this one you cannot simply say I want A as x1, y1 or b as x1, y1. How to decide that? Because it says here A, P, P, B. We mentioned A first. So A will be x1 and y1. B will be x2 and y2. So here will be 2 plus 5 will be 7. And then here will be 5 times x1, which is 0, plus 2 times 21. Okay, so it will become 2 times 21 will be 42. So P is 42 over 7, 0. So 42 over 7 will be 6. Okay, that's why there's some disturbance. There's alarm. Okay, so the coordinate of P will be 6, 0. All right, see you next time.